Hello and welcome to CS Design Studios. We'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate you on taking the first step towards enhancing your digital presence online. We're excited to get started on this vision with you, but we need your help to ensure the process begins smoothly. We've even included a form to help get the ball rolling. Let's look at a few of the details we need to make your rollout seamless. First, if we're building your new website, we're going to be collaborating on a project envisioning meeting. Before we meet, we'd simply like to know, what websites do you like? What websites do you hate? We'd like to pinpoint features or functions that you'd like us to incorporate or avoid. Who are your competitors? We'll figure out what they're doing wrong, what they're doing right, and how we can do better. Next, we're going to need content for your new site. We ask that you please send over any assets that you would like used on your website, profiles, or marketing efforts. These are things like pictures, logos, video footage, and especially written content for each page of your website. After all, we know digital marketing, but you know your business best. We'll even send you a link to make uploading that content as easy as possible. And if you don't have as many of these assets as you'd like, we can help there too. CS Design Studios offers graphic designers, professional photographers, videographers, and even drone pilots, so you can greatly increase the visual appeal of your digital presence. Now, if you're utilizing our marketing services, we'll need your help to select your keywords. These are the primary services and/or products you'll be offering your clients, and they provide a good starting point for us as we build out your keyword list and improve overall search engine optimization for your business. What goods or services offer your highest return on investment? Keywords are included in services such as writing new blog posts and articles, landing page copy, your Google My Business profile, and much more. Additionally, we'll need passwords and account access. Any account where you would like CS Design Studios input and digital marketing services is an account that we need access to. These can be things like any existing website or domain name sign-in information, your Google My Business login, access to social media accounts like Facebook and YouTube, and any back-end analytics accounts you would like our help optimizing or interpreting. If you don't have an account somewhere already, but would like one created, we can help with that too. And please, if you have any questions about what I've just mentioned, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you for choosing CS Design Studios. We look forward to increasing your conversions and building the online presence your business deserves.